Hi, Evelyn here. I just wanted to show you a tool I have, which is my grain mill. And I used to have one to mill like wheat, but as I don't eat gluten anymore, it's still very handy. And I just wanted to show you why it's so handy. I'm going to make some buckwheat flour because I'm trying out a wrap slash crepe recipe for you. And so I need some buckwheat flour. And instead of having all these different flours in the house, I can just make them in my machine. So I'm going to add some buckwheat. I already had some in. Put the lid on. Oops, not so easy to film with one hand. And then it gets very noisy, but very quick. So you can see that you can adjust the level of grinding here from coarse to very fine. And I use it for rice flour, buckwheat flour, millet flour, all these different flours you can use and make for making gluten-free stuff. So yeah, I think I bought it way back in the Netherlands. I think you can still buy them online. I'll look up if I can see a link for you in case you want to have one too. Okay, that's me. Bye bye.